Hi and welcome. In this quick video, we'll go through the setup of a MacBook. This will be a basic setup just to get us to the desktop as quickly as possible. I'll be bypassing quite a few options, however, you're more than welcome to set them up as you go along. So with that said, let's get started. First off, select your country or region. I've selected UK here, click continue. Confirm your languages. We go continue here. We have accessibility. I'm going to say not now. Now we need to connect to Wi-Fi. So select your Wi-Fi. Enter the password. And once done, click continue. We have a data and privacy window. Click continue. Migration assistant. I'm going to say not now. Sign in with your Apple ID. I'll set up later. Are you sure you want to skip signing in with your Apple ID? I'll say skip. The terms and conditions, I'll agree. Have you read? We'll say agree. Now we want a username, so I shall give mine a simple name called user, and the account name is user as well. Now select a password. I will choose a simple one. You're free to choose whatever you wish. However, keep security in mind. Okay, click continue from here. It's creating the account, as it says in the bottom left here, with the wheel going around. Enable location services. We'll continue. Are you sure you don't want to use location services? And as I said, of course you can enable these as you wish, but for now I'll just say don't use. Now it wants us to select the time zone, so let's select UK. You can click anywhere here, and if you had enabled location services you would be able to just click here and you can go back if you wish. I'll click continue here. Analytics. I'll say, in fact, I will take off share Mac Analytics, continue. We have some options for screen time, set up later. Siri, I'll just disable that. You can keep that enabled. Touch ID, we'll set up Touch ID later. Are you sure? We'll continue. Choose your look. You can have light, dark, or auto. I'll click continue. And now we are at the desktop. And if there are any settings you wish to set up, you can simply go to settings after clicking the Apple logo and select and set up from here. So I hope you found that useful, and if you have, really appreciate a quick thumbs up to help out the channel. Thanks very much for watching my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.